Right now, 9 out of 10 drivers are sitting on a feature that could prevent a $4,000 repair bill. And you've probably driven past it every single day for years. But here's what makes this criminal. Dealerships and mechanics have been keeping these secrets locked away because every time you discover one, they lose money. Unless you learn these 17 features in the next 12 minutes, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table. Money that could go toward your next car, your kid's college fund, or literally anything besides padding a mechanic's retirement. These aren't just party tricks. Feature number 7 alone saves the average driver $600 annually. Number 3 prevents a breakdown that strands 156,000 people every year. By the end, you'll know how to unlock hidden safety systems your car already has, stop wasting money on repairs you can avoid, and ultimately, take back control from an industry that profits from your ignorance. Here's a lie you've been told your entire driving life: that rear wiper spray that shoots over your roof. Dealerships want you to believe it's a manufacturing defect you just have to live with. The truth? Inside that nozzle is a tiny ball joint. And with nothing more than a sewing needle from your kitchen drawer, you can adjust it in 30 seconds. Insert the pin gently into the nozzle opening. Feel that ball joint? Angle it until the spray hits exactly where you need it. That's it. Dealerships charge $50 for this adjustment. You just saved your first $50. But here's the real win. Clear visibility in rain and snow means you're not that driver squinting through a dirty window, inches from rear-ending someone. Now that you've saved $50, let's talk about the button that could save your life in winter. That button with the car and squiggly lines? Most drivers see it every day and have zero clue what it does. That ignorance sends thousands into ditches every winter. Here's the plot twist nobody tells you: sometimes you need traction control on. Sometimes you need it off. Use it wrong, and you're either sliding off an icy highway or stuck in snow spinning your wheels until AAA shows up 2 hours later. On icy roads, wet pavement, loose gravel, keep it on. The system prevents will spin and keeps you planted. But deep snow? Thick mud? You need will spin to power through. That's when you press the button, disable it temporarily, and punch the accelerator. One button press is the difference between making it home and waiting in freezing temps for a tow truck. Just remember, turn it back on once you're free. Everything you learned about emergency braking from action movies? Complete lies. And believing those lies could send you spinning off the road. Hollywood shows drivers yanking the parking brake hard during brake failure. Real result? Locked rear wheels, total loss of control, and a very real crash. When your main brakes fail, and they fail in 5% of accidents according to safety experts, your parking brake becomes your lifeline. But only if you use it correctly. Pull it up slowly. Steadily. Or if you have an electronic parking brake, hold the button for several seconds. This engages rear brakes gradually. You slow down while keeping steering control. Modern electronic systems are even smarter. They automatically modulate pressure to prevent lockup. Practice this in an empty parking lot at low speed. When your brakes fail at 60 miles per hour, muscle memory saves lives. You're stuck behind a truck pumping black diesel clouds into your face. Your kids in the back seat start coughing. And that little button with the circular arrow? You've ignored it for years. That's your air quality shield. Press it once, and your car stops sucking in outside air, exhaust fumes, diesel smoke, road dust, farm smells when you're cruising through rural areas. Instead, it recirculates the clean air already inside. Your lungs thank you. But here's the bonus nobody mentions: your AC performance jumps 20% in extreme heat. Faster cooling, less strain on your system. Your cabin air filter lasts longer because it's filtering less crud. That's $40 saved on your next service visit. Why does your car smell like a gym locker? Why are you sneezing every time you turn on the AC? The answer is hiding behind your glove box, and 70% of drivers have never touched it. Your cabin air filter. It cleans every breath of air entering your car. When it's clogged, and trust me, yours is probably clogged, airflow drops 50%. Your AC works twice as hard. That means higher fuel costs and a $1,500 compressor replacement waiting in your future. Worse? You're breathing mold spores, pollen, dust, bacteria. Every single drive. Here's the beautiful part, you're going to replace this yourself right now. Takes 10 minutes. Costs $15 to $30 online. Dealerships charge $120 for this same 10-minute job. Remove the glove box panel, no tools needed. Slide out the old filter. Slide in the new one. Done. Change it every 12,000 miles or once a year. You just saved $105 and added years to your AC system. Sunset driving. You flip down the visor, but the sun still lasers straight into your retinas from the side gap. Your eyes water. You can barely see the road. And you're thinking, why even have this visor? Because car designers' new standard visors can't block every angle, especially during golden hour. So they built a secret weapon most drivers never discover. Hidden inside is an extension panel. Check the bottom or side edge of your visor. Pull it out smooth, and it covers that side gap perfectly. No more squinting. No more flashes of blinding light. Just clear, comfortable vision. Quick break, if these secrets are blowing your mind, hit that like button. We spent weeks researching this stuff. Your like literally helps us make more content that saves you money. Done? Awesome. Your car's underwater. Doors won't open, water pressure's too strong. You've got maybe 60 seconds before you're completely submerged. What saves you? That headrest you've been resting your head on for years. Those metal prongs aren't just for adjustment, they're your escape tool. Pull the headrest completely out. Jam one metal post into the corner of your side window, that's where glass is weakest. Use leverage, and it shatters instantly. Over 300 people die every year trapped in submerged cars. Most could have survived if they knew this trick. Practice removing your headrest right now. Seriously, pause this video and do it. Because when you're underwater and panicking, you won't remember. Muscle memory saves lives. New rental car. You pull into the gas station. Which side is the fuel cap on? You're leaning out the window, checking mirrors, getting out to look like an idiot. The answer's been staring at you from the dashboard since the 1990s. Next to the fuel pump icon, see that tiny arrow? Left or right? That arrow tells you exactly which side. Every car made after the 90s has it. Yet half of all drivers still play gas station roulette. No more awkward U-turns at the pump. No more embarrassment. Just pull up once, correctly, every time. Next time you're filling up at the pump, take a look inside your gas tank door. See that little hook or notch? Most people think it's some random design flaw. The truth? It's made to hold your fuel cap while you're pumping gas. But here's the kicker that could save you thousands. Letting the cap hang down or placing it on your car's roof isn't just careless. It leads to scratched paint, dirt entering your fuel system, and eventually clogged fuel injectors. That's a $3,000 repair just waiting to ruin your day. Almost every car has this tiny hook. Yet about 95% of drivers never use it. If you've driven at night, you've felt the annoyance of headlights from a car behind you beaming straight into your eyes through the rearview mirror. The glare isn't just uncomfortable, it reduces visibility and can distract you, raising the risk of an accident. But here's what most drivers don't realize: their traditional rearview mirror has a simple fix called an anti-glare toggle. With a gentle flick of the small tab under the mirror, it shifts the angle of reflection, scattering the harsh light from headlights so it no longer blinds you. The view behind remains clear enough to monitor traffic, but it's much gentler on your eyes. Your tire pressure monitoring system isn't just about safety. It's actually your fuel economy guardian that most drivers completely ignore. Here's the shocking truth: underinflated tires by just 5 psi can reduce your fuel economy by up to 2%. Over a year, it adds up to hundreds of dollars in wasted gas. Properly inflated tires also last 25% longer, saving you another $600 or more on premature tire replacement. That recommended pressure listed on your door jamb is scientifically calculated for optimal fuel efficiency, tire wear, and handling. Every PSI under that number costs you money. A simple tire gauge costs $5, and checking pressure takes 2 minutes. Do it monthly. Keep tires at the recommended PSI. Your wallet will thank you with better mileage. Did I lock it? That question haunts every driver. You're 10 steps away, but doubt creeps in. You walk back. Press the button. Feel stupid. Your car's been watching you this whole time. When your key fob crosses a preset distance from the vehicle, proximity sensors trigger automatically. All doors lock. Some cars beep or flash lights to confirm. You can even set a 30-second delay for grabbing forgotten items. It's hiding in your settings menu, waiting to be activated. This is it, peace of mind. No more doubt. No more walking back. Let's add it up. We've saved you $50 on wiper adjustments. Another $40 per year on air filters. $105 on cabin filter replacement. We've prevented a $3,000 fuel injector repair and a $1,500 AC compressor replacement. We're talking thousands of dollars you're keeping in your pocket instead of handing to dealerships and mechanics. How many of these did you already know? Drop a comment. I'm betting most of you knew 3 or less. Which secret shocked you the most? If this video just saved you from expensive mechanic visits or made you realize your car is way smarter than you thought, subscribe for more money-saving automotive secrets that dealerships hate. Your wallet will thank you.